Good morning, Riding Texan here. We've got our bikes loaded up and we're fixing to head back home probably in about another hour. Just kind of letting the fog lift on the mountain. Got a pretty curvy road going out of here. I think you'd meet yourself coming and going. There's a pretty good couple of switchbacks. Want to make sure fog's lifted a little bit and the road's kind of dried up. Don't want to do that on the slick, but anyhow, we'll see you on the road. Well, we decided not to go over the mountain. We didn't want to wait till the fog lifted. So we headed on into Medina. We're going to try a new road. When we came in, we went all the way to Bandera and then back down 16. We wish we would have known 2828 would have connected the two. It would have cut several miles off. Well, we're still running into little pockets of rain. I'd be glad to see some sunshine. We thought we'd top off in Kerrville. Hopefully this will get us most of the way home. I really wish there was a loop on 16 going around Fredericksburg. You spend a lot of time with these red lights and tourists. Lano, Texas. This is normally our halfway point. We normally stop here to stretch our legs and make a quick bathroom break. We met up with a few riders going to Comanche. They said we just barely missed a squall line. Well, see a little sunshine peeking out behind the clouds. Hopefully it'll warm up. Well, San Saba looks a little different when it's not raining. If you haven't liked and subscribed to Rolling On 2's channel, check him out. He likes to visit lots of courthouses, so I've been including a few courthouses for him. There are a lot of those wind farm windmills on this road. I thought my camera would pick them up better than it did. Hamilton, Texas, county seat of Hamilton County. This puts us about 35 miles from the house. Ratzel's Gap. It's time to get a horny toad burger. I am hungry. Well, we made it back to our neck of the woods. It's time to go get a horny toad burger. I've been thinking about that since Lano. With the end of our trip in sight, I'm kind of sad, but then I'm tired and I'm ready to get home. Ready to sleep on my own pillow and see my kids. If you ever get a chance to go down and visit the hill country, I suggest you do it. It is beautiful country and you won't be disappointed. Home at last. Moss has let me off of the damn back. The old poor folks is stove up. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the little trip to Bandera. We have, but we're tired. Until next time, keep the shiny side up.